Stock Watchers, I'm Kathy Rankin, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. It's going to be Friday, April 20th, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, with conviction on the part of buyers lagging all day long and the Dow closing in record territory a day earlier, it wasn't surprising to see the blue chip index take a bit of a breather on Thursday. Be that as it may, the blue chip index still eked out enough of a gain to extend its winning streak to 6 and close at another new all-time high. The major averages finished mixed for a third straight session as the tech-heavy Nasdaq languished again as investors remained cautious ahead of more key earnings reports. It is worth noting, however, that things could have been a lot worse given the decidedly bearish tone coming into today's trading. Before the bell, the market had all of the makings for round two, albeit a much less dramatic sequel of the Shanghai sell-off that triggered widespread panic on February 27th. The news roiled overseas markets as Japan's Nikkei 225 fell 1.7%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index plunged 2.3%, and the once unknown Shanghai Stock Exchange tumbled a strong 4.5%. From a leadership standpoint, 6 of 10 sectors posted losses. Energy paced the way lower as a 2.1% drop in oil prices diminished the desire to own the likes of explorers and refiners. Evidently, lower oil prices did little to excite consumers as the discretionary turned in the day's second worst performance. Everything from retailers to autos to cable companies were weak, but hotels was definitely the sector's biggest disappointment. On the positive side of things, however, healthcare was the day's standout, with the bulk of sector support coming from biotech, which was today's best performing S&P industry group. And now for our small cap news brought to you today by Nascent Food Service. Nascent Wine Company Incorporated is one of Baja, Mexico's largest food distributors, marketing and distributing over 1,400 national and proprietary brand food and non-food products to over 1,000 customers. Aladdin Beverage announced this month they have been named the exclusive U.S. importer for Antares beer. Antares beer, brewed exclusively at the new Patagonia Brewery in the southernmost region of Latin America, was recently named as Argentina's fastest-growing premium beer. Aladdin Beverage, the exclusive importer of Devassa beer, in February announced that they have unveiled a new commercial via YouTube, which has created marketplace buzz in a time when companies are forking over millions of dollars for just a 30-second Super Bowl commercial. Previously at 20 cents a share, Aladdin Beverage opens today up 40% at 28 cents a share. QPC Lasers Incorporated announced yesterday it has successfully closed a private financing through the sale of $8.2 million. QPC Laser Incorporated also announced last month that the company secured a large purchase order to deliver bright lace medical laser modules to a medical equipment manufacturer in Europe. The order brings the company's total backlog of purchase orders and contracts to more than $2 million for 1 quarter. The bright lace can be used in a number of procedures, including dermatology, such as wrinkle reduction, you gotta love that, hair removal, and acne treatment, to therapy for soft tissue and joint injuries. QPC Lasers opens today at $1.30 a share. And that's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And also make sure you watch for the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. I'm Kathy Rankin. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you again next week on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You've got it.